Isn't he?
Oh, you've got a booger, bud.
Does that not gross you out?
I mean, I'm gonna be changing diapers one day, so might as well get used to it.
Oh, did you fill up his water?
Yeah, he was low.
I didn't ask you to do that.
Why would you have to ask?
I forgot to bring something to clean him off.
That's okay. I did. You shouldn't be the only one packing for him.
So do you always take care of people like this?
Only the ones I love.
I love you too.
Oh, no, I didn't mean...
Oliver! I love you, Oliver. Oh, you thought I meant you?
Yeah.
No. That would have been awkward.